Hey there, my name is Elena, and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to go over the access settings for your uploaded gallery. With the gallery selected, let's click on the Settings tab. Here in Access, you'll see a few different options. First, you'll be able to go through your existing contacts, if you have one, and quickly add it as a client or as a guest. Here's what that looks like. Next, if you're registered for BookMe and a client's booked a session with you, you'll be able to assign it to this gallery. Once it's assigned, you'll be able to view the booking directly right here. Otherwise, you can go ahead and manually enter the name and email address of clients or invited guests. If you want to know the difference to make your decision, think of a client as the main contact who's booked the session. This is the person that's most likely going to be the one that has access to digital downloads, purchases, and more. But that's up to you and how you want to organize this. Think of invited guests as someone who has access, but more limited access. For instance, later on, if you enable digital downloads, you might want to allow clients to digital downloads, but not invited guests. This is up to you and is just an example. Down here, you'll have the ability to choose if you want to allow visitors to your site or not. This means it'll be open to the public if you add the gallery to your website. You can choose to require an email address when a visitor is entering your gallery through your website. You can even choose to require visitors to enter a password to enter your gallery. We'll have a password generated here, and you can refresh it, or you can enter your own. This wraps up this video on the access settings for your gallery. Please reach out if you have any other questions on this or anything else.